Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Big Data Analytics with Hadoop, Spark, Python and R. My name is Pratik Shirbhate. In the last video, we have seen how to copy data from your local system to your HDFS and also from HDFS to your local system. We have also seen how to work with the RDBMS, in the sense how to extract data from your RDBMS and uh, put that data into HDFS. So in this video, we are going to learn about creating a jobs in Sqoop, and also we'll touch base in the Hadoop 2.0, how to copy data from your local system to Hadoop 2.0. So uh, most of the times, right, it is not feasible to write this complete Sqoop command. So instead you can create a job, give that job a name, and then you can execute that job. And this is the way it is done in production also. So let's start creating a job. So to create a job, you need to give this command scoop job, and then the hyphen hyphen create, and then job name, and then everything remains as it is. So you might remember that we have imported data from a table with the name countries from the global database, which is in MySQL, and we have tried to copy the country name and the literacy percent. So let us try to create a job in which we want to extract everything. We do not want to specify any column or any where clause in there. So I'll create, let's say, create job J5. Okay, and then I'll remove this column and this. Okay, and we'll give this directory name, let's say directory 1. Okay, so let's try to run this command. So I have already started all the daemons. Let's verify with this jps command. Okay, everything is running fine. Now let's try to run this scoop command. Okay, it will ask you for the password. Okay, now the job is created. To list down all the jobs, you can give this command scoop job, then hyphen hyphen list. This will list all the available jobs. So you can see we had already J2 and J3, and in addition to that we have a J5 job which we have created right now. Now to execute the job, you can give this command scoop job hyphen hyphen execute exec, and then you can give the job name, so job J5. It will ask you for the password. Okay, it has retrieved 227 records. So let us go to the web instance, localhost 517, and we'll go to the browse system. Okay, so scoop directory 1 is created, and you can see this part file having all the records. You can also delete the job with the scoop job hyphen hyphen delete, and then you can give the job name. Okay, and now if you want to list down the jobs which are currently available, you can see that J5 is removed. So many of the times, right, you are doing analysis and you are storing that results onto your HDFS, and your client wants these results to again get them inserted into your RDBMS systems. So let us try to work on this scenario. So in this scenario, we are trying to export data from your HDFS to the RDBMS. Now you can see that we have this data on HDFS under this Sqoop directory 1, and let us try to let us try to export this data. So in order to export the data, you should have the table created in your RDBMS. So let us try to create a table. Okay, I'll start the SQL server. Okay, so we'll use the same database which we have created last time, global. Okay, and let us try to look into the tables which are available. Okay, so I just have a one table, countries. So let me create a similar table which is a blank table. So okay, so this was the command which we used for creating a table, countries. Now let me rename the table to, let's say, countries 2. Okay, so now I'm trying to create a blank table. So this is what we have seen in MySQL videos. Okay, now show tables. Okay, so the table countries underscore 2 is created. Now let us create a export command. So Sqoop export, then hyphen hyphen connect your path of the server, JDBC MySQL localhost 3306 and this database name. So we have created a table with countries 2. Okay, and we want to export this directory. So we'll go back again to this directory. Okay, the name of the directory is directory 1. Okay, so this export directory and the path of Hadoop directory, HDFS directory, and you need to specify how the input fields are separated in the way how your file has the values separated. So here the values are separated with comma, so we have given this input fields terminated by comma. You can now try to execute this command. It will ask you for the password. Okay, now it has exported 227 record. So let us go and check, quickly verify. So we had this table countries too. So let me select column country from this table countries too. Okay, you can see there are 227 records. Let us try to switch on to Hadoop 2.0. So let me open another session. Okay, so this is Hadoop 2.0 system. So let me start the processes. So you might remember that I have said that to start Hadoop 2.0 we need to start yarn and the file system separately. So to start the yarn system we can give this command start -yarn dot sh. So before that it is also advisable to format the name node. So Hadoop name node -format. Okay, it is done formatting, and now start yarn.sh. Check the processes started with the yarn. You can see we have node manager, JPS and resource manager, but we do not see any data node here. To start this file systems you can give start -dfs.sh. Okay, now check the running processes. Okay, so you can see name node, data node, node manager, secondary name node and the resource manager. You can see the web instance with localhost 570. Okay, and to access the file browse systems you need to click on these utilities and then browse the file system. Okay, so currently we do not have any directory. Let us try to create a directory hadoop fs hyphen make directory, and then let us this home. Okay, now let's check. Okay, now we have this home directory created. So let us try to quickly copy data from your local system to this home directory. So Hadoop fs copy from local, and let us give the path of any random file. So under this data sets, okay, let us give this movie songs file. I think this is a part file. Let us give any. Okay, let us give this movie director file. Okay, so I'll just copy the path and the source directory is home. Okay, Hadoop fs copy from local. This is the source path and the target path is /home. Let us try to execute this command. Okay, now under this home directory, okay, you can see this file movie directors. You can see that we just have a single block, and you, if you want to see the content, you can just click on this download, and you can open with the default gedit. Okay, you can see the content of the file. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.